Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making power and safety your priority. Unplug the Xbox Series X and wait 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. Once done, position the console on an anti-static mat and remove the external grill clips using a plastic spudger to avoid scratches. Use a T10 Torx to remove the visible screws under the feet, then lift the side panel carefully because internal cables are nearby. This gets you immediate access to the PSU area and prevents damage while you continue. You now focus on freeing the power supply. First, label each connector so reassembly is error-free, then gently unplug the fan connector, the main 12V multi-pin, and any sensor ribbon. Make sure to depress locking tabs. Forcing connectors risks broken pins. Next, remove the 4 mounting screws that secure the PSU bracket and stow them by label. When the bracket is loose, slide the PSU toward the exhaust port. You may feel resistances from a grounding tab or thermal pad, so ease it out to protect components and pads. You finish by installing the replacement unit. Align the grounding tab and thermal pad so the PSU sits flush, then slide it fully into place. Once seated, reinstall the mounting screws and reconnect each labeled cable. Make sure connectors click. This ensures proper power and sensor feedback. Reattach the case and power up for a quick test before finalizing. If the console does not power on, immediately unplug and verify the power cord, wall outlet, and that the main 12V connector is fully seated. These fixes resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.